Hi folks, I'm Matt, Product Specialist at Flexcut Tool. In this video, I will be introducing our new Carvin Jack 2.0. This updated version of our most robust carving tool has many exciting new features, making it a must-have for fans of these versatile tools. Let's take a look at the new features. Ergonomic aerospace aluminum scales improve grip and comfort in the hand. Upgraded internal components combined with our precision fit rear activated push lock eliminates the risk of sticking blades or jammed locking mechanism. We've extended the reach on the hook knife to provide better clearance for bowl carving. We've added a versatile Pelican blade, and we've squared up the V-Scorp to improve the comfort of cut engagement. Operation. To operate the Carvin Jack 2.0, choose your blade, then use the embossed nail nick to pull it out until the blade locks into place. For added safety, test the blade by giving it a wiggle to ensure it is securely locked into position. To unlock and close the blade into the handle, push down on the thumb recess on the back of the knife. When the blade releases, fold the blade completely back into the handle until its edge is safely covered. Push the blade all the way down until it stops. Push from the back of the blade directly above the nail nick. Test cuts. Now let's take a look at how each tool cuts. Hook knife. The hook knife is designed for carving in hollow areas where a straight blade can't reach. It's ideal for hollowing spoons or roughing out larger amounts of waste wood. Gouge scorp. Scorps, by their nature, are right-angled gouges. Their very short turning radius allows them to carve very narrow, deep recesses, similar to spoon gouges, only better. Straight gouge. Gouges are used for modeling surfaces or creating different textures. It can also be used for carving printmaking woodcuts. Detail knife. Its fine point can be used for detailing delicate areas or quickly removing wood from a convex surface as you would with any whittling knife. V-Scorp. The V-Scorp's sharp corners leave a clean line of demarcation between two adjacent surfaces, much the same as outlining with a pencil. Pelican knife. This curved blade offers a clean slicing action. The point is narrowed for a tight turning radius. It cuts very well in hollow areas.